What if the most patient language partner on earth isn't human and never needed coffee? AI will practice the present perfect with you at 3 a.m. It won't sigh, it won't check its phone, it won't secretly hope you cancel the lesson. It can correct your grammar in milliseconds, generate 50 custom examples instantly, track every mistake you've made for 6 months, and quietly map patterns you didn't even know existed. In drilling vocabulary, running pronunciation reps, or adjusting difficulty on demand, AI is brutally efficient. It doesn't get bored of beginner errors. It doesn't judge your accent. It doesn't emotionally react when you confuse ship and sheep for the 15th time. In many mechanical aspects of language training, AI genuinely outperforms humans, but here's a twist. Fluency isn't mechanical. AI can tell you your sentence is grammatically flawless. It cannot tell you why you hesitated before saying it. AI can simulate a debate. It cannot truly disagree with you or challenge your thinking in a way shaped by lived experience. It can produce beautifully worded encouragement, but it doesn't actually believe in you. And strangely, that matters. Because language isn't just structure, it's risk, it's identity, it's the vulnerable moment of speaking and not knowing how you'll be received. AI optimizes repetition. Humans interpret silence. AI accelerates acquisition. Teachers build courage. The future of language learning isn't humans versus machines. It's an intelligent division of labor. Let AI handle infinite drills and data. Let humans handle progression, judgment, and belief. Because the real advantage isn't artificial intelligence alone, it's knowing exactly what it can do better than us and what it never will.